Shipping rules. You can set shipping rules based on weight and cart total. You can create variants for region and postal code. Go to Shipping Rules and click Create Shipping Rules. Select all countries or some countries, for example, such as Italy. You can input a price or weight range to activate the shipping rules or apply them to any cart total or weight. Name the shipping charges and add a specific price. You can create shipping options that your customers can select at the time of purchase. For example, standard shipping costs, premium shipping costs. Click Save. Create variants for region or postal code. If you choose the variant for postal code, enter the postal codes for creating the rule and assign a name to the list of postal codes, for example, minor islands. Set a different price and click Save. If you choose the variant for region, select one or more regions from the drop-down menu. Change the shipping cost and click Save. From the basic settings, you can block purchases for customers with a shipping address without rules, or create a general rule. In this case, simply click on General Rule, click on the pencil, then add an amount and click Save.